Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install uTorrent in Windows 11. So first you need to search for uTorrent and you need to open the first website, and here you can see uTorrent Classic. You simply need to click on free download, and here you can see basic for classic. So we want this, click on download now and click on start download. So it is a not a big file, only 1.68 MB, so it will not take longer to download, maximum 1 to 2 minutes. So now I'm going to show you in the PC the next step how you can install. So it is here, so you simply need to click here, click on yes, click on next again, click on next again, agree, accept that. So I want start create start menu entry, so I do not want this, and I want only desktop icon, so it is up to you. Then click on next and you can select any options. So I want when Windows startup, so I not want that. Click on next again, and now it is installing, and in the few minutes it will get installed, and it depend on your PC or laptop speed how much time it took, but usually it took not more than 2 to 3 minutes and it will complete. So here you can see that it is now completed. So I want to launch this. So here you can see that uTorrent, and now you can use that. So this is the process how you can download and install uTorrent in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.